Hello everyone. On this channel, I share travel videos and walking tours from beautiful cities around the world. To capture high-quality footage, I use the Sony ZV-E10 Mark Two. Professional filming often requires extra accessories to make the camera easier to handle. One of the most important tools for me is a camera top handle. There are many brands on the market that make camera accessories, but I wanted to find a high-quality product. That is why I decided to check out Temu.com. By the way, if you want to make a purchase on Temu, you can use my special coupon. Don't miss out. You can claim a €100 coupon bundle right now. The link and the coupon code are in the description of this video, and they are also visible on the screen. Use this coupon or the link to save big on your next order. Temu is a great place to find professional gear. When the package arrived, I was curious to see the build quality. The JLWIN Camera Top Handle is made from durable aluminum alloy. As soon as you hold it, you can feel that it is solid and well made. It features precise 1/4-inch screw locating pins. This means it fits securely onto your camera rig or cage. It doesn't wobble or feel loose, which is essential when you are carrying expensive equipment. You might wonder why a top handle is necessary. When I am filming walking tours, I often need to get low-angle shots. Holding the camera by a top handle makes these shots much smoother. It provides a comfortable and secure grip for handheld shooting. The handle ensures better balance and stability when filming from different angles. It also reduces the strain on your wrist during long filming sessions. This JLWIN handle is a practical and lightweight accessory for any professional setup. Let's look closer at the design. The aluminum construction keeps it lightweight, so it doesn't add too much bulk to my travel bag. This is very important for me because I walk several miles during my tours. The surface of the handle is smooth, but offers a good grip. It also has multiple mounting points. This allows you to attach other accessories, like an external monitor, a microphone, or an LED light. It turns your compact camera into a full professional rig. I was pleasantly surprised by the shopping experience on Temu. The shipping was fast, and the item was packaged securely to prevent any damage during transit. Finding camera gear like this JLWIN handle was easy. If you are a content creator, I highly recommend browsing their electronics and photography sections. I have been using this handle for my latest city walks, and the difference is noticeable. My footage is more stable, and I feel more confident holding the camera in crowded areas. The JLWIN handle stays tight even after hours of use. The locating pins do a great job of keeping the handle from twisting. It feels like an extension of the camera itself. Overall, I am very happy with the JLWIN Camera Top Handle from Temu. It proves that you don't need to spend a fortune to get professional results. It is durable, functional, and very affordable. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more travel and tech content. Don't forget to check the link in the description for your €100 coupon bundle. Use the code on the screen to save money on your next Temu order. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next city.